Hi, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I hope to help you understand cultural differences, break down information barriers, give you an authentic view of Beijing and China. Join me as we experience the real life of Beijinger. Today, I'm going to eat something simple, quick, and delicious. Malatang. You know, there's no exact English word for this dish. So, what's this food looks like? If you let me sum it up, is if you want to try hot pot but don't have enough time, Malatang is the perfect choice. Sounds amazing, right? Come with me and check it out. Let's go. There are many chain brands of Malatang, but the place I'm visiting today is one I've been eating at since I was a kid. It has a very ordinary storefront, and the restaurant's name is simply based on its location. 团结湖. This is the location of this Malatang restaurant. No chains, no franchise. It's been open for about 30 years in this bustling area of East 3rd Ring Road. It's still going strong. Impressive, right? And I know people who live nearby all know that this restaurant is pretty good. Even celebrities have come here, making it a bit of hidden gem. So, what is exactly Malatang and how is it related to hot pot? Let's find out together. Here, you choose all kinds of ingredients as you want. And then pick whatever you want in this bowl. And the price finally based on the weight. Vegetables, meat, meatballs, and of course this instant noodles. Is that correct? Instant noodles. Mushroom. Do you know this? Bamboo, my favorite. Do you have this kind of food? I've made my selections, so now I'll go weigh them.
爸爸这儿吃，
这儿吃
要辣的，
要辣。
51。
I got my number. Waiting for my Malatang. My food is ready.
6号顾客取餐。
哎，哦，
辣椒。
要。 谢。Look, all the ingredients are cooked in beef bone broth and finally topped with sesame paste. So if you want to try Malatang, make sure you like sesame paste. Of course, you can also let them not add it. See, doesn't it look like all hot pot ingredients cooked together at once and then served in a single bowl? That's why I called it the convenient version of hot pot. You know, one of the fitness influencer I follow, Pamela. Have you ever heard of her? She seems quite popular internationally. When she came to Beijing, Malatang is her favorite food because she found it's relatively healthy, especially without sesame paste. And if I ever feel like I need more vegetables on my diet, I came here and load up on grains. Another great thing about Malatang is that you choose every ingredient by yourself. So it seems like cleaner and more hygienic. Most importantly, it's very fast. It only takes, I think, about 10 minutes to cook. So that's why many office workers in Beijing choose Malatang for lunch. Now I'll add some vinegar. Oh, yeah, it's vinegar. And dig in. Vegetables. Spicy. Delicious. A little numb and very spicy with the savory of sesame paste taste. Very delicious. Even though it's cooked in the beef bone broth, but there's no taste of beef. Only spicy and numb. Very delicious. I really like this one. It really seems like you eat hot pot in the single bowl. Very satisfying. Finished. Happy, full. You know, if you don't have much time for a meal or want something quick and convenient, besides burger and the pizza. You can also try Malatang. It's really delicious, especially the spicy one. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.